chose career education because I wanted to learn something that would be going towards my career instead of just learning something and not applying that to anything.
California community colleges are built around you, designed for your success, created to help you get the skills you need for the career you want. Career education programs give you affordable, hands-on training to open the door to a good-paying career and get you started on your path toward a degree or an industry certification developed by an employer to meet the needs of their respective industry.
Why community college before nursing school? Because it's affordable, really adaptable to my busy schedule.
Choose from more than 200 high-quality career programs that are close to home and taught by industry experts. With 115 campuses, there's a campus close to nearly every community throughout the state. Career education courses allow you to explore, collaborate, and actually experience your career before it starts. Get skills in in-demand fields like healthcare, renewable energy, information technology, advanced manufacturing, and more. Don't know which career is right for you? Visit icangotocollege.com and find a career that fits your interests. Find your local community college and enroll today. You can also receive prior learning credit, saving you time and money when pursuing your educational goals. Credit for prior learning gives you college credit for the skills, knowledge, and experience you've already gained outside of the classroom.
You know, a lot of the skills, a lot of the trainings that I was able to learn in the military, you know, like CPR, first aid, a lot of that transferred to college credits.
Qualified experience for credit can include military and industry training, state and federal government training, volunteer and civic activities, apprenticeships, internships, and other industry-based experiential learning. There's no better time to kickstart your career. Visit icangotocollege.com today to find the community college closest to you, explore career education programs available in your area, and enroll.